Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, what's up? My name is Caitlin, and today we're doing my Boxycharm premium unboxing. This box retails for $35 a month. You can get it every month plus your regular subscription, or instead of, if you wanted to do either or, you can. I do both because I'm ridiculous. But this is what the box looks like. You get like 8, I don't even know. You get a bunch of products in here, and they're all full size to deluxe size samples. Comes to your door every month. So if you guys enjoy Boxycharm or subscription unboxings or just unboxings or just me, like this video and subscribe to my channel, and we will dive in here. So opening it up, this is what the box looks like. You do get some foam there, and I am curious to see if this box has stuff on. Yes, it does. Okay. So I have been like super complainy with Boxycharm lately because they haven't been putting the prices and stuff on their cards, and I think it finally got through to them that everyone wants it back, so they have put them back on there, so that's awesome. Okay, first thing in here is this. I thought it was incense, but it's actually cuticle revitalizing oil, milk and honey from this brand Cuccio. I have no idea how to say that. What language is that? It is cruelty free. It's made in the USA, so I have no idea. United Kingdom also. I thought that was gonna be like French or something, but I guess I'm just don't know how to read. But here is the bottle. Super cute, super fancy. Opening it up. Ooh, it smells so good. Definitely smells like milk and honey. I'm excited for that, you guys. What does this retail for? This retails for $18. Okay, yeah, sure. Next thing, this is by, what is this by? Biro? I think that's a backwards E, I'm not sure. Bitter Green Essence Toner. This is also cruelty free. Let's open this up. Ooh! Pretty. I love this color. Bitter green. What is bitter green? Oh, it's got like a fancy little stopper on here too. Don't like the way that smells. Okay. This retails for $95, you guys. I don't know why I always get so shocked by the ridiculous prices of stuff in here, but $95 for a toner? I don't even usually use toner. I need to, but maybe I will because that's ridiculously priced and I feel like I need to. Next thing, Ciate London Everyday Vacay Dewy Coconut Setting Mist. Yay! Okay. Oh, I ripped it. I am always down for coconut anything. I freaking love coconut. It's my favorite scent of life. Packaging is cute. Oh yes, you can smell it through the thing. Oh, that's an aggressive spray. Okay. Hopefully I didn't just ruin my makeup. Oh, it smells so good though. What does this retail for? 22 bucks. That's kind of normal for high-end setting spray. Fully Fire. Okay. PETA, cruelty-free and vegan. No gluten, no fragrance. What are you? Expensive Habits. There's 3. Fierce Makeup Without the BS. Okay, I'm not sure where that cut off, but I discovered that these are lipsticks, if you didn't see that part already. Matte Manipulation, Creamy Matte Lipsticks. Fully Fire is the brand. There are 3 shades in here, so let's pop these out of here if I can. This is in the shade Full House. This looks like it's gonna be dark. Cute packaging, kinda not cheap. I don't want to say cheap, but light, I guess. I don't know. That's a pretty color. There's no fragrance. They say fragrance free, so I don't know why I thought there would be. Next one is called Here to Slay. This looks like a red shade. Very intense red. Doesn't swatch as intense as I thought it would be, which I'm actually okay with because I'm not into like super intense red lipsticks. And then we have Sunset Boulevard, which is the last one. And this is like your mauvey pink color. Yeah, that one's my favorite for sure. But they feel nice. They say matte. They are definitely not matte. They are for sure cream unless they're gonna dry down, which I don't foresee happening. This one retails for $40 for the 3 of them. It's not terrible, but not the best. I don't think I would pay for it, but maybe they'll blow my mind. We'll see. Can't get this back in the packaging. There we go. Next thing in here is by, oh my goodness, Kenya Ontiveros. I think it's Kenya Ontiveros. I could be butchering that. This is a Set and Define kit. Ooh, cute packaging. It's got like crocodile, alligator, snakeskin kind of situation going on. There is a little insert, and then it is a contour palette, so that's fun. There's Mattify, Set, Highlight, Contour, Dark Contour, and Bronzer. Let's go ahead. Ooh, that feels soft. Swatch a couple of these. This is the highlight, the contour, and the bronzer. Ooh, I'm definitely down for that. I've never heard of this brand. I didn't even see if they were cruelty free. What am I doing with my vegan and cruelty free? Awesome. Yeah, I'm down for that. I don't really have a lot of contouring palettes, so I'm excited for another one. And this retails for $42. And the last thing in here, I'm not going to swatch because I do actually already own this. This is the Morphe and Manny MUA Glam palette. I wonder, is mine easily accessible? If it is, I will just grab it real quick here. Yes, okay. Here is mine. So I've used this literally like once or twice, and it is kind of beat up, but I'll show you it so you guys can see the situation going on. There's the shade Aries. You do get a highlight, 2 highlights actually, and then some shadows. There's 12 of them in there. So there's some swatches for you. I like this palette. I don't love this palette. It's right there. For 20 bucks, I think it's great. For someone who has a large collection like I do and doesn't really reach for things that aren't favorites, I don't know that I love it, but I do like it. I actually want to do a like kind of last chance video with it, I think, or something here soon. So stay tuned for that because I might do that. We'll see. We never know. But that is everything. So quick little recap here. We got the contour palette, which I'm stoked about. The 3-piece lip set is okay. I'm not like blown away by it, but I haven't actually tried them yet, so we'll see what happens. The toner, oh my goodness, I'm not like super excited about just because I don't use toner super often, but like maybe this is the universe's way of saying you have a $95 toner, use it. So we'll give it a try. The cuticle oil I think is super cute, and I am excited to try it because it smells so good. And I have pretty long nails. These are my natural nails. These 2 are always short because of work, but I'm excited to see if I can make them longer or healthier. The setting spray I'm excited about. Oh, it smells so good. Am I missing anything? No, that's it. Okay. That's it, you guys. So if you guys enjoyed this, like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you go. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.